Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming your Mac OS is up to date, so Safari runs securely and supports features. Once done, open Safari from the dock, Launchpad, or press Command Space and type Safari. Make sure to set a home page in Safari, right arrow Preferences, right arrow General so new windows open where you expect. This saves time. Also enable the Favorites bar if you use bookmarks frequently, because quick access reduces repeated searching and speeds your workflow. Now you'll learn efficient navigation. Use the Smart Search field for both web addresses and searches. Safari suggests results as you type, which speeds selection. When working with multiple pages, open tabs with Command-T and close with Command-W, drag tabs to reorder, or hold a tab and choose Move to New Window. For lengthy articles, switch to reader mode and adjust text size for comfort, and use the Share button to save or send links. These habits improve focus and productivity. Finish by tightening privacy and customizing Safari. Enable Prevent Cross-Site Tracking and block unwanted cookies in Preferences right arrow Privacy to reduce tracking and improve load times. Add vetted extensions from the App Store for features like password managers, but keep only those you trust and review permissions. If a page misbehaves, try clearing the cache via Develop right arrow empty caches or temporarily disable extensions to isolate the issue. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.